Oh yeah, she said that.
Then she also said that, oh, she came with an open mind. So who caged who? So she came with an open mind, she saw that boy, so I'm like, okay, my plan will work. And according to her, all of a sudden I came in, and yeah. So who caged who now? And do you get?
Honestly, I don't even know. All I told her is that you do whatever you need to do.
No, the thing is that me, I'm trying to talk things out and sort things out, but she doesn't want to.
That's why I don't understand why she doesn't want to.
If I try talking to her, she either walks out or snub me or says she's either doing this or doing that.
Yeah, look for another gesture. Try and look for something else to do. Another. If you really do care about her like that.
Yeah, if I don't care about her, I know we'll talk about her. I'm gonna bone and move.
Then look for another gesture to try and woo her.
Like which one now?
I don't
Yesterday,
know.
after this thing, I came, I told her, oh, congrats. She never looked me for FaceTimes, and that's it. Even if I'm a stranger, she never respond like that. So it's not like we are falling out of place and just maybe being neutral like regular housemates.
Yeah.
It's more like, okay, I'm kind of pissing her off and irritating to her. Yeah, I'm not fit to, yeah, I don't know, I cannot deal with situations like this. Once you give me such this thing, I don't leave you. Like, I'm not persuasive. But I feel like before you get to that point, you've made up your mind, okay, this is what I want to do. This since yesterday, just after the tax, before the tax, we tried yesterday, even this morning, I want to make breakfast, are you hungry? He said, no, she doesn't want. And I tried talking to her, I said, oh, I'm cleaning the bathroom. Yeah, sorry, I left her. I came out having breakfast. And then she went to White Money talking about food. I don't understand.
Man, she must be really, really be upset for her.
Upset about what exactly?